Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a little bit since I posted anything. I think the last time I did a video was around Easter weekend. Anyhow, so here I am, and I am actually getting ready to work on these wood slats. These are the wood slats that I took off from in between the top and the bottom of our wood spool that this wood spool patio table conversion project is. Anyhow, I am getting ready to, you can see there's a little bit of mildew stain on some of these. Anyway, guys, I am getting ready to mix up our cleaning solution and get to scrubbing on this one. Has a little bit more than some of the others. So it's not, some of them aren't too bad. This one needs a little bit extra work. Some of them aren't too bad, but others, this one needs a little bit of extra work. Some of them need some extra work in different parts. As I mentioned previously, when I was cleaning the top of the spools to kill the mildew and just heavy duty cleanup, I am using a mixture of this hard surface cleaner, TSP. I picked this up at Ace Hardware. This is a powdered version. They do sell a liquid version. I guess to each his own preference. This was what was recommended to me when I started a different project, and so I still had a lot of this left to use, and so I'm gonna, until I use this up, I will be using the powdered. You can, like as I said, you can purchase a liquid version of the same thing. You may need to use a little bit less because it's more concentrated. That I don't know. But I know this, for what we're doing to kill the mildew. On the back it says to help for mildew stains that we're going to dissolve a half a cup of the powder into 3 quarts of water, of warm water, and then we're going to add 1 quart of bleach, of chlorine bleach, and then we're going to scrub the entire surface. We're going to scrub the entire surface with our handy dandy brushes that we used before. So we're going to use this, and then I have this wire brush up here, and I have a smaller wire brush for getting into some smaller areas if I need it. And this is our 3-gallon bucket. You can pick it up. I got mine at Walmart. You can pick them up at Ace. I think Ace carries them too, for mixing, just so that you have your bucket. And then I have some good rags here for rinsing. You want to make sure you have clean water to rinse with, and make sure you pick yourself up when you're using this stuff. You have a set of heavy-duty rubber gloves on hand to use as well, because you don't want to get any of this stuff on your skin. This is the outdoor bleach that I picked up previously. I got this at Walmart. You can get it from other places, I'm sure. It's specifically for these types of projects, for cleaning up decks and fences, garages, anywhere where you need to kill mildew, mold, any of those types. Real heavy duty, you need to just clean the surface. So anyway, I'm gonna get mixing, get the solution mixed up. It's evening time here. It's starting to get a little cooler out, so I can work on this and get these scrubbed up so they can get dried out over the next couple of days. And then we'll get to sanding on them so that we can stain these and seal them like we did the top and the bottom of the table in prep for the mosaic that we're going to do on the very top. So once these are all sanded, stained, and sealed, then we can put them back together, put with the top, and get everything all onto the next phase. So until next time, today's my birthday, and so this is part of what I'm doing for my birthday today. And so until next time, everybody, hit the red subscribe button and have a great one.